Alexa, add poo-poo pancakes to grocery list.
I've added poo-poo pancakes to grocery.
Hello friends, my name is Brent Miller. I'm a voice actor. You're on my channel. Super happy you're here. Today is a friendly fan mail opening. I'm gonna open up all the stuff you guys have sent me over the last little while. Am I even recording? Yep. If you watched my last video, I showed off my studio and where I record voiceovers from, and I put all my links in the description of gear that I use and whatnot. You should check that video out. It's kind of, well, if you're interested in voiceover. And at the end of the video, I mentioned that I was gonna do a voiceover class. That is happening starting on Monday night, 5 to 6:30 Pacific time. Now, because of some juggling around, I have 2 spots left in the class. There's only 8 people taking it. So I thought I'll just mention it at the start. If you're interested, go to my website, brentmillervoice.com, find my email me, and I will give you the information. I only have 2 spots left. It's a 4 Mondays in a row. Okay, cool, all right, let's get to it. I'm gonna save this really big one for later. Okay, this is, wait, dude, it's the same name. Okay, we gotta do it now. Okay. It's the same girl. She sent me 2? She must really like me. You know what? We need ourselves a knife. First time I did that, I swear I went to the mailbox, got the knife. I did it on my hand and cut myself. I can attest, this is a very sharp knife. Okay. Dear Brent Miller, hi. Sorry it took me so long to send the letter and buy the drawings to your house since your birthday passed. A lot of going on. Was it my birthday too? Is this too, how old is this? What I really like about Zane is both of our names start with the letter Z. Oh, okay. Also, he's very smart. Does that mean you're very smart too? Cole is my #1 favorite. Okay, we'll just read the rest of this later then. Okay, thank you. Bambo. A Zane comic, starring Zane and Zarya. The 2 Z's. I will read your letter later, but you like Cole better, so. Oh, this is the funnest day ever. Wait. Get in there. I don't want to destroy your pack. I think I had to go to the agency to pick this up. This is well protected. I'm so scared of destroying your awesome picture of yourself as the star, Zarya. Okay. All right then. We've got ourselves cardboard with lots of bubbles. I know it's a prank. I got punked. Oh man. Oh, jeez. She just went for the heartstring? Like, oh, man. You went for the heartstrings. You just are trying to make me cry? This is really cool. But yeah, I don't want to start bawling on my YouTube videos. Kirby was a friend of mine, if you don't know, and he played the part of Cole, one of the fellow ninja, but I know most of my audience knows that. Hey! That good-looking guy, I think is supposed to be me. True legend, the voice actor of Zane, and the mastermind behind the channel on YouTube. Yeah, dude. Hello, my name is Mason. I've been a fan of your show since 2009. Animated trailer all the way until now. You put smiles on millions of people's faces. Well, okay, Zane does. If you notice, my channel doesn't have. Well, actually, it does have over 3 million views, so that technically, but come on, I don't have enough subs. Am I sure I'm recording? I don't have my glasses. Sincerely, your fan and friend, Mason A. Thanks, Mason A. Dude, anybody that calls me a legend, they've got to definitely, they're in the top of my book. This is a lot of folded up pictures. Oh, Harumi. One of the best villains, don't you think? Uh-oh, controversy in the comments. Everybody talking about Harumi, who's the better villain. Here we go. A parrot. You did me a parrot. More Harumi? Don't you think you got... Is this supposed to be the Brent McKillop, the voice actor for Harumi? I think maybe you might have got it wrong. For next you have Brain and Braun and Scott. Please show it to Tommy Andreasen, your fan Buccaneer Kate. I don't understand. But Tommy, did you see it? Lifetime! This is a picture of Nia? I'm Zane. A picture of Pixel? A panda hybrid of Pixel. Oh, thanks, but I'm Zane. This isn't me either. That's not me. That's not me. Zane, babooyah! I just joined Drama Club and wanted to believe that you inspired me to be part of the Drama Club. All of you make me happy and make me believe I have a purpose in life and keep going every time I watch all of you or just your interview videos. Your friend, Regan Green. Ramsey Williams, here we go, Ramsey Williams. Whoa, dude, whoa! Look at this. Cha. Did you trace it? Did you trace it? Sky. What we got here is, dear Brent Miller, I've been a fan of Lego Ninjago since it premiered back in 2011. And I'm excited for Prime Empire when it... really apologize. Prime Empire was like how many seasons ago? Sorry dude, man. Sincerely, Chris Cabral. This is from my old agency. This has gotta be forever years old. Watching Ninjago every day. Sorry, I have so much stuff. This is the only chance I have to talk to you. Oh, thank you. I love you. Oh, wow, this is a big letter. Okay. Brent Miller, how are you? Fine, dude. I'm Leia. But in the comments, I'm Laura McLean. Private Detective Laura McLean. Ninjago Confidential. I love the plot twist where they find out Zane's a robot. Me too. My favorite ninja are Jay. Oh, I'm number 2 I see on this list. Okay, we'll just skip ahead. Okay. Yeah, thanks for coming out. I will read this after. I'll read this after because look, oh, this is a Japanese candy. Hope you like it. Yeah. How long is this candy? This candy's probably so expired now. Okay. Oh, seriously, this is probably pretty old, man. Is it supposed to be as hard as a... I think I broke my tooth. Is it supposed to be chewy or like a rock? Expired candy is still pretty good. Please just... I can't... Okay. I can't actually speak with it, so... Pineapple free zone! This person gets me! Why do we have pineapple? This is also from my old agency. From Brandon Rubio. Huge Ninjago fan. Thanks, dude! Brent Miller, my name is Emmeline Hannigan. Best show ever. Thank you. Your sisters watch it too. Emmeline, Leia, Alyssa. Blue Butterfly 1. Dear friend, this is a chain letter. Is the... You sent me a chain letter? Kathy, really? You sent me a chain letter? I'm not playing chain letters. I'm not. No, I will not do that. I don't want to send chain letters out to people. Who do you think? Do you think I just want to sit around and receive letters from people all day long with just the same thing written down? Heavens no. Hi Brent, I wanted to say that I love your YouTube channel. This is coming from someone who hasn't seen a single episode of Ninjago. Though I plan on checking it out someday, my favorite content. Okay, alright, dude. I love that. Alex Boone, I will read the rest. You're now my hero. Oh, then Alex Boone, another one from Alex Boone. I kid you not, I just picked up something else from Alex Boone. This one's gonna be like, now I've watched it. Oh, you sent me a My Little Pony thing. Funny enough, Alex Boone, who sent me something, actually attached something in for my wife, who is Nicole Boma in the voiceover world. And it's a pony she voiced, and it was all about that. So I'll let her read it. Now I'm just a messenger for people pitching show ideas and letters getting passed to my wife. Whoa! That, I mean, it's really good, but it's another one of me and Kirby. You see that? Everybody's trying to make me cry or something. Jada, first of all, your name is awesome because my kid's name is Jada. Yeah, this is awesome. It's all about Kirby. Thank you. This is from Polly and Koki. We made you art just for you, and maybe it can give creators some ideas. Oh, again, I can't do that. I can't do that. I'm not the place to do this with, guys, so I get this a lot in my DMs and online. I got nothing to do with the show. I got only a certain amount of hours in my day. I can't do anything for you. It's about Kirby as well. Audrey Townsend. Yeah. One of my favorite Ninjago moments was when Zane's gi was dyed pink. Mine too. That pinky, Man, I was on those guys to make me a pink Zane, and they did. Thanks, guys. I really enjoy watching your videos. They are really cool and funny. Enjoy the art of Snake Jaguar. I love the scenes with their disguises. Sorry, it smudged a little and folded. I didn't have a big enough envelope, and I'm still a messy artist. Hope you enjoy it, and still sincerely, Michaela Hurt. Snake Jaguar. You don't know where they got the name Snake Jaguar? Look for the video where Kelly, who plays Nia, and I talk about it. Go to my playlist. You'll see all my interviews, my videos, all the things. My favorite part is when I get a new sub and they binge all my videos and they comment on every video. Those are my favorite people in the world. Them and Santa. Hannah Lambert, she's got a bunch of stuff here. If Zane and the other ninja were in a rock band, what instrument do you think he would play? Guitar, because I do, dude. Are Kai and Lloyd best friends? No, I'm best friends with everyone. What is your favorite season in Lego Ninjago? 1 and 8? The ninja had to choose how they would spend their Saturday. Would they either go to the beach or hang out in Ninjago City? To the beach, man, so we can show off our abs. Yeah. Their name is Elise Christian Carlson or something. They're from Norway. Even Norway people like me. Whoa, this is from 2018, man. This is embarrassing. My name is Didi. I'm a mega fan. I've been stumbled upon your YouTube. Thank you for subbing my YouTube channel. Zane holds a place in your heart. Okay, but you see, but the sentence before you said Lloyd's your favorite. I'm just kidding. Watching your videos always puts a smile on my face, whether you're doing a Lego build or a Q&A. I'm always excited when you upload. I wish you the success you deserve for the future of your channel. Sincerely, Didi. Wait for it. This is the weirdest. This is the weird. Is this hate mail when somebody actually sends you a card they got at the Comic-Con that I went to with my own signature on it? Is that hate mail? Did you send me hate mail? Like you sent it back? That is the best ultimate diss I've ever seen. You get someone's signature and you decide, I don't like this guy anymore, so you send it back with nothing else. You don't explain, you just send the signature back. I don't know who you are, but I love you. I don't care if you don't like me, because that was the best. Oh my goodness. That is the, where's my knife? Where is my knife? You too kitty, you just send me my own signature back. This person is a tape expert. Holy moly, man, you should go easy on the tape. Focus here. New art. New art. I'm not laughing at your picture, I'm laughing at the, okay. Whoa, cool. My name is Shauna, she's from England. Whoa. You're writing a letter to me because you're ill, and watching my YouTube channel and Ninjago always cheers you up when you get worse. I am not seriously ill or dying, but sometimes it's worse than okay, I'm definitely gonna read all this later, Shauna. Thank you. And I'm so happy that our show can help people get through stuff. And I love it that people like my YouTube for that reason. Dear Brent Miller, my name is Kayla, and you are one of my favorite voice actors of all time. I like that you play Zane. He's my favorite ninja. Yes! The best moment you've had with your fellow voice actors while voicing Zane. So many laughs. If you watched my interview with Michael Dobson, who plays Pythor, one time Garmadon was doing a big, huge speech, and at the end of the speech, Michael did a trumpet fart like this, and it sounded like it was Mark, and the entire room, I've never heard a room laugh that hard. Yeah, that was probably one of my, it's funny, one of my best moments is about somebody doing a fake fart. This person sent me a poster, and thank you, Tanya from Austria. Wow! So guys, that's it for now. There was a lot in here that I didn't show, where people are just pitching projects of their own for Ninjago or whatnot. There was also a lot of people wanting me to sign their prints. Please, I'm not gonna do that, guys. I don't have the time and mental energy to just sit there and do that all the time. But you can support me by going to brentmillervoice.com and buying a print yourself, and then I will sign it and send it to you, and then we're both happy. Again, if you're interested in voiceover classes on Zoom with me, my first class starts on May 3rd every Monday for 4 Mondays. And I may get a couple groups going because I've had a lot of interest, and if you want the details, make sure you go to my website, brentmillervoice.com, email me, and then I'll send all the information. So like this if you like this, sub if you want to sub. Check out my playlist with all these other types of videos I've done in the past. I've done a bunch of these types of videos with letters and stuff too. So check it all out because I am happy you're here and want you to feel welcome. And also, I like getting views. It's nice getting views.